Assalamu alaikum and hello everyone. My name is Tajid bin Murtuja. I'm a student of Mohsin Smart English Learning, but I also study at Mohammadpur School and College. Today I'm going to narrating about the story of book fair. So I have a childhood friend. His name is Farhan Iqbal Siam. He lives in Meherpur. He studies at Meherpur Government High School. Here it's in class 9. Yesterday he come from Meherpur. Come from Meherpur to Dhaka by bus, and he visited us. After visiting, he started requesting to go to the book fair. So I just called another friend of mine. His name is Makin Ahmed. He studied with me in Mohammadpur School and College. So after Makin came, we started our journey that day. We got a rickshaw from our home to book fair. It cost 200 taka. After we get to the book fair, we started our main journey. We have clicked many pictures that way. I bought five. I like thriller books and comics. Comics also. I bought 5 thriller books, 2 comics. Makin got three thriller and 2 comic. And Siam bought many books for his family, for himself too. And another memorable thing, that is, we just got our idol. Muhammad Jafar Iqbal. We got a selfie with him, and obviously we got a autograph from him. We loved that day. After the book fair journey, we came to the new market and have a lunch and take a lunch. Then we back to home and started talking. That day is the enjoyable and the memorable day of one of my life. I just love that day with my friends, with my idol. I love to talk him. So that is the one of the memorable day of my life. Thank you, all of you guys.